Dear children, we are in exercise 4.3 linear equation in two variable. First question is draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. First is x plus y is equal to 4. Second option is x minus y is equal to 2. Third option is x plus 3x is equal to y is equal to 3x, and fourth is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. I will do fourth question for you. Let us see then. I will take fourth one, this one. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. Transfer this on that side. Y is equal to, this is 3 minus 2x. Now one by one you take the value of x. It depends upon you which value you want to take. You want to take higher value, lower value, smaller value. This is x and this is y. If I am taking first x is equal to 1, it will be what? Y is equal to 3 minus 2 under 2. Answer is 1. If x is equal to 1, then y will be 1. Suppose if you are taking 3 minus, if you are taking 2, this is 2, it will be what? Y is equal to 3 minus 4. So y is equal to minus 1. See? What is this? If you are taken x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. If you put x is equal to 0, you take x is equal to 0. Here you take 0. So 3 minus 2 into 0. So y is equal to, this is 3. You can take any number of values for that. Now this we have to plot. This x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. This is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. 1. This is 1, 1. Second, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 is here. What is the value? X is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. Always we take x coordinate first, abscissa first, and then ordinate x and y. Then you take x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. 0, 3. If abscissa is 0, it will lie on y-axis. If ordinate is 0, then it will lie on. I am drawing freehand, but you don't draw it. You draw it with the help of your scale, and this you have to draw in the graph paper and then paste it in your fair copy. I wish you to do rest of the question. They are very easy. Put the value of x and get the value of y, and those points you plot on the graph. Okay. Now the question number 2 is give the equation of two lines passing through 2 and 14. How many more such lines are there in y? Now suppose x plus y both together, if you write on 16, if x is equal to 2, 2 will go there and become minus 2. So it will be what? Y is equal to 14. So it should satisfy this. For example, x is equal to 2. So it will be what? Y is equal to 16 minus x. Y is equal to 16 minus 2. So y is equal to 14. So that is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 14. Suppose if you are taking 2x plus y is equal to 18. 2x plus y is equal to 14. Put x is equal to 2. So it will be what? Take y is equal to 18 minus 2x. Y is equal to 18 minus 2 into 2. Y is equal to 18 minus 4. Y is equal to 14. Again x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. This equation. One more I will put, one more example. X plus 2y is equal to 30. This you have to think. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 30 minus 2y. Y is equal to, suppose if you are putting 14. 30 minus 2 into 14. x is equal to what? 30. 14 to the 28. X is equal to 2. When you put x is equal to, y is equal to 14. y 14 लेंगे तो x is equal to 2 आ रहा है और x is equal to 2 लेगा तो how many such lines can pass? There are infinite. ऐसे कई इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं हम लोग, कई इक्वेशन. होमवर्क फॉर यू इज यू मेक 2 more. x plus y is equal to 16. x की वैल्यू 2 डालने पर y की वैल्यू 14 आनी चाहिए. If you put x is equal to 2 here, y should be 14. If I am putting x is equal to y is equal to 14 here, it will become x is equal to 2. So there how many more such lines? There are infinite many lines passing through a single point. How many lines? Infinite. Why? Because if one point is there, how many lines can pass through one point? There are infinite lines is there which can pass through a single point. So this answer, I want you to make 3 more solutions of that. So that if you, just like if I have taken x plus y is equal to 16 और 2x plus y is equal to 18, अगर x की वैल्यू 2 डाले तो y की वैल्यू कितनी आनी चाहिए? 14 आनी चाहिए. यहां पर y की वैल्यू 14 डाले, 14 2 is 28, उधर माइनस होगा तो x की वैल्यू कितना? 2 आनी चाहिए. तो यू थिंक ऑफ मोर सच क्वेश्चंस, मोर सच इक्वेशंस फ्रॉम वेयर सी एक पॉइंट से कितने लाइंस जा रहे हैं? एक पॉइंट से इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट्स कैन पास थ्रू. सो क्योंकि x इज इक्वल टू 2, y इज इक्वल टू 14 इज अ पॉइंट. एक पॉइंट से कितने लाइन जा सकते हैं? इनफाइनाइट. सी थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज इफ द पॉइंट 3 4 लाइज ऑन द ग्राफ of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, we have to find the value of a. Just in place of x you have to put 3 and in place of y you have to put 4. That's it. 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. See 3 into 4, a into 3 plus 7. 3 4s are 12. This is 3a plus 7. Plus 7 will become minus 7. It will be 5 is equal to 3a. 3 is in multiplication. It will become division. So value of a is 5 upon 3. Clear?